Hi guys, how's it going? Oh dear, we've had more bird instances, and I wasn't here, and my wife went into a blind panic, and she was flailing around in the bathroom, and she's managed to knock off the little stand. How's that looking? I'll know when I watch it back. Okay, here we go. Welcome to the Wednesday shave. Let's get this brush into soak. There you go. Chisel and hound. Can you see that? Beautiful 26mm Fanchorian badger knot. Only the second who's going to take some breaking. I'll tell you right now, probably going to struggle to lather. It isn't the soap, it's the brush. I've had problems with it. But there you go. We're going to get that into soak in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. Got to get our regular on, guys. Running late. Been trying to fix this for about 20 minutes. It's either that way and I'm looking, or this way and I'm looking. This is the best I've got it. So let's go. Okay, the razor today is the Alpha, is the Executive Shavings Outlaw. Let's get this off. I'll show you. There you go. The Executive Shavings Outlaw. Sorry if there's any messing on there. That's the Alpha Outlaw. The Alpha Outlaw and the Executive Shaving Outlaw, exactly the same, identical, made at the same place, all the exact same razors. I think they did it to split to save the costs. One's called Alpha and one's called Executive Shaving. Now, that was gifted to me by Mr. Wickham. The Alpha handle in brass. And can I find a head for it? It's just not happening. So I've got that handle in stainless steel and I've got it in brass, and I alternate it on the one head. I'm after, if anybody out there has got the Alpha, it's going to be Alpha. I've got the Executive Shaving head and I've got that handle in stainless steel. I want the Alpha Outlaw shaving head to go on there, and then I'll have a complete razor. But for now, we'll get that. No, we won't. We'll put a razor blade in it. I've got a Ming razor, which is a kind of a clone. I don't like using the word knockoff. Kind of a clone, a copy of the McCurr Future. It's kind of Ming and I got these blades with it. So we'll whip one out. There you go. And we'll stick it in from memory, guys. From memory. It was an okay blade, you know. And we'll stick it in this. Oh, come on. Chinese, I'll be honest with you guys. They've not got the best reputation, Chinese blades, have they? But these, I'm sure, the last time I used them, these were okay. Wow, look at that. Well, it's sharp, I'll tell you that. Yeah, once again, getting from work a little later than usual. We'll put that in there. In there, here we go. We're going to be balming up with that. Floid Citrus aftershave balm. Good stuff, that, guys. We're going to be splashing up with Executive Shavings Outlaw aftershave. We've got two Outlaws in here. Look at this. Oh, that smells very nice. The aftershave blast, bergamot, citrus and woody undertones. Citrus, wood, bergamot. Keep those in mind, because in the sample pack of Pinnacle grooming that they sent me, I got this. Absolutely, that's called Mystery Shaving Soap. And that's what it looks like. Oh, it smells absolutely wonderful. And I went on Pinnacle Grooming's website, and we've got it up here. Top notes of jasmine, gardenia, blackcurrant, lemon, bergamot in the aftershave, mandarin. I get jasmine. I do get jasmine. Heart notes of orchid, lotus, and spicy notes. I pick up the spice. Base notes of vetiver, patchouli, incense, amber, chocolate, and vanilla. I get the amber and the vanilla. It smells absolutely wonderful. To me, it smells like a lovely, sweet, warm, spicy scent, and it goes very, very well with that aftershave. So what we're going to do, we're going to put that in the bowl. We'll take some out. You'll see as I do it. Oh, I'll take some. I've had it here, guys, sat on the radiator. I've made a mistake. Had it, I know, sat on the radiator, but I told you I'm all fingers and thumbs today. But there you go. As you can see, there isn't a lot in there, is there? Let's get it pressed down. And I'll show you again. Like I said, this brush, I wanted a chiseling hound for so long. When I got it, I was so disappointed. The trouble I've had trying to get a lather out of that knot. But somebody did say, no, John, they do take a long time to break in those knots, but once they've broken in, you're on a winner. There you go, Pereira style ball. We'll put that. You can see there isn't much in there, can't you? So it's very, very slick. Have we forgotten anything? No, we haven't. Just get on with it, John. And let's have a shave. So, let's see. I put a fair bit of water into that. I really, really have. And we're getting there. Oh, it smells really nice now once you start lathering with it. It really, really does. If you want to use Pinnacle grooming and get a full tub of this, if you use John Shaves 20, give us 20% discount. 20%. It's not on the samples though, but I'd highly recommend you get a pack of samples for £10. You get 10 samples, 10 of those. It's absolutely wonderful. And I've already proved in a previous video, get at least 4 shaves out of one sample. And that I wasn't even trying. If you were more conscientious, you would probably get even more than that, wouldn't you? But it's definitely well worth looking at Pinnacle grooming. Here we go. There you go. There wasn't a lot of soap there, was there, guys? There wasn't a lot at all. I'm wary of this knot. You can see it, look. Well, I don't know. Is it just me? Am I paranoid? Let's have a go. Let's see. Let's see where we go. Oh, I just need a good shave. What a week. What a week. Yeah. It is. It's this brush, guys. Look at it. Just does not want to let go. At all. It doesn't. Look at it. Just does not want. Yeah, I'm really, really disappointed. I really am. I know it takes some breaking in, but I mean, come on. I've soaked it and dried it out and got the hairdryer on it and on a dry, crispy towel, and you shouldn't have to work that hard to get a decent lather. And it was soaking for about 15 minutes before I came in here. Well, you shouldn't have to work that hard. I'm just annoyed. I'm just in a mood today. I really, really am. But hey ho, let's go. Come on. We'll go with the Ming. We'll go with the Ming sheet. Everything went wrong. Had a couple of little things go wrong here and there throughout the day. Nothing major. And then I came home and that was hanging on. I'm hangry as well. I just hope. I tried several attempts to get this video started to no avail. You know, are you like me, guys? Once something goes wrong with your day at the start, it's like a domino effect. That's it. The die is cast. No matter what you do, from there on in, your day's ruined, isn't it? And I can see what I've done wrong here. I've set this mirror back because I took it off. because all of that wall basically is a window. Just a big window. I got a little shelf hanging on with suction cups, and the performance I had getting it off. And my wife belted it and knocked it lopsided. I was like, take it off, clean the window, put it back. Oh, could I get that thing off? It just wasn't having any of it. So, I finally got it off. Look at this. Look, watch, look. Absolutely atrocious, this brush. It really is. Look at this. This is absolutely shocking, isn't it? Oh my word. Anyway. Come on, let's get her. Well. So now I can't see. Normally when I shave I've got the phone down here and I can see pretty much, if I do that I can see pretty much all of my face in the mirror. Now I can't. I'm just using my phone screen as a mirror as we speak. There you go. This isn't going to be a great shave, guys. It really isn't. Oh my word. What are we doing here? What's going on? This. What? Do you know, I've got a polar shaving brush in there and it's got the horrible waxy type of knotting. This just absolutely shocking. Give me a minute, guys. And we're back. Oh my word. I just put a little bit more soap in there, guys, and I was trying to lather for about 10 minutes. The brush, well, I mean, the brush, it just will not let that lather go. So disappointed in this brush. I'm going to keep it. I don't know what I was expecting, but I've got a dirt cheap Yaki in there, silver tip brush, and it lathers like a champion, and it lets the lather go and it feels soft and luxurious. This knot is an absolute joke in that brush. It really is. Oh. The last time I used this brush I had this very same problem, and I tried lathering with it, you know, doing test lathers in the kitchen, and had the exact same problem with it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I mean, look at it. It's horrible. The amount of soap that's in there, absolutely horrible. Oh, well, you know, like they say in that country and western song, guys, some days are diamonds and some days are stones. Oh, I will be glad when this day is over. But it's a bank holiday. I think it's the only day of the year apart from Christmas Day a bank holiday can fall on other than a Monday, unless I'm not very much mistaken. But we're off Friday and we get paid for it, and are off Monday and we get paid for it. Now, I've been corrected repeatedly and fact checked every time I say that. It's only if you're working. See, if you work for yourself, you don't get paid for bank holidays. You don't get paid extra. And I think if you work in the emergency services, you don't get paid extra. And when I was a young man and I worked in a hotel, and they had to open Mondays because of their business, nobody got paid any extra. It's just that it's a bank holiday. you're off. You get paid for it. You get nine or 10 of them a year. You know what I'm saying. Okay. Oh, guys, here we go. Look at this. Hey, that blade did okay. We did okay, didn't we? We did okay. Don't know what I'm going to do with this knot. Don't know what I'm going to do with this knot. I may just keep that out, clean it off after, and maybe starting tomorrow, I may just make a lather with it, clean it, dry it every day for about a month and see where we get to. There you go. Here we got executive shaving. We've got the Outlaw razor. We're going to use the Outlaw&Splash. Here we go. And like I said, oh yeah, that blade did okay, you know, guys. There's no sting whatsoever at all, and the soap was very, very slick, and that lather was no reflection on that soap. Look at the sheer amount that I used. I've used these with other brushes, and they've lathered like champions. Cheap £5 synthetic brushes, and they've left that one in the tracks. Okay, here we go. But he's an artisan and he's got a good reputation, and I'm not dissing anybody. I can only go off my experience with his brush, with just that one brush. Yeah, there you go. I'm saying no more. Look at that, guys. We did. What's that? Oh. I've had enough. Look at this. We did okay. Come on, straight in for the Lancashire lean. For the Lancashire lean machine. We did okay. Look after yourselves and each other. And remember, be the change you wish to see in the world. And then you've changed the world, haven't you? Look after yourselves, and I'll see you all on Saturday. The postman's been kind today. I've got a good one. A good one to use on Saturday. I just need to find a good soap to use with it now. Look after yourselves. Bye.